Alright friends, so first thing first, what are verbs? Verb या क्रिया क्या होता है? So friends, I'm sure you must be knowing verbs are basically action showing words in a sentence that describe what the subject is actually doing. Now friends, subject here are the nouns or pronouns, that is name of a place, animal or thing, and what action are they doing or performing? Those actions are shown by the verbs. Alright, so let's see some basic example. The women painted a picture. So here painted is the verb. Then we are studying biology. So studying is also a verb. Also friend, are is also a verb here. It is called helping verb. इसके बारे में मैं आपको और आगे बताऊंगा. The dog, which is the subject here, runs and jumps. So these two are also your verb. Alright friends. Now friends, verb can be in various different forms, like you see paint, painted, painting. So उसके फॉर्म्स के बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे. अगर आपको फॉर्म्स के बारे में पढ़ना है, so you should watch the lecture on tenses. Its link is in the description and also on the top right corner of your screen. So I request you, if you want to go much more deeper into verbs, you should go and watch tenses session. Alright. Now another important thing, some verbs also give an idea of existence or state of being. So not all verbs are action showing verb. Some of them can be, let's say, those who show some state of being. For example, be, exist, seem, belong, or these all convey a state of being. Let's see, let's understand it in more depth. So before that, let's see what is our agenda. What are the different types of verbs that we are going to discuss. So first we'll see stative verbs, जिसके बारे में आपको बता रहा था, जो state show करते हैं. Then main and helping verb, very important for an exam perspective. Then transitive and intransitive verbs. So we'll see all these three types of verbs today. So let's first see the first type of verb that we'll discuss, stative verbs. So friends, as I told you, a stative verb or a state verb describes a state of being. So it does not show any particular action, but it shows what is the state currently of state of being. This is usually something that does not change over a period of time. This is also important. For some period of time, you will be in that state. It will not change radically. Alright. So let's see some basic example. I have a huge fan following. So friends, here I am not doing any action, but this word have, it is showing my state, that I have some following here. Okay, some people follow me. Okay, so this is my state presently. It is showing a state of being. I like cheese. Again, I am not doing some action here, but this verb like is showing my state that I have some liking for something. I like cheese. Here again, the elephant weighs a ton. So elephant, our subject, is not doing any action. It's his state that it is it weighs a ton. So weighs is also a stative verb here. Now very important thing related to stative verb, we cannot usually use the continuous tenses with stative verb. So you cannot say I am having a huge fan following. So this is incorrect. When there are stative verbs, you cannot use the ing form. So the elephant is weighing a ton. This is also incorrect in terms of English grammar. So I hope this thing is clear friends. Now we'll move forward. Let's understand another very important concept of main verb and helping verb. So friends, main verb are very easy. ये हमने देख लिया है. So ऐसे verb जो हमको action show करते हैं. These express an action and gives the major information about the nature of the action. For example, run, sit, talk, walk. These are the main verb. ये हम पहले भी समझ चुके हैं. But helping verb is very important. Helping or auxiliary verbs give major information in terms of the time of the action, not the nature of the action. So ये help करते हैं main verb को, ये बताते हैं कि time कब हुआ, when was the action being happen. Alright, so it is again related to the tenses. So for example, helping verb are is, am, are. All these three are used in present tense. And was, were, has, had, these are like, had is used in past tense, was, were is also used in past tense, has is used in present perfect tense. So you need to go and watch the tenses session, जिससे आपको और भी कई सारे helping verb पता चलेंगे. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ identify करेंगे, so it's pretty easy. Let's see the example. So Bindu is our subject, is doing his homework. So is your helping verb, it is showing the present continuous tense, and doing is the main verb here. Let's see next example. Chintu has been running every day for a month. So has been is showing your helping verb, that is HV, and running is the actual main verb which is happening. So this is the main verb. Next, Pavan wasn't dancing for an hour. So Wasn't is your helping verb. Even if it is with not, then also it is considered a helping verb. And dancing is your main verb. Alright friends, so I hope main और helping verb आपको clear हुआ होगा. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next comes our transitive verbs. So transitive verbs require an object to complete their meaning. Now what are objects? So objects are the nouns or the pronouns which receive an action. So your subject must be performing an action and your object receives an action. Okay? So transitive verb ऐसे verb होते हैं जो object के बिना incomplete meaning show करते हैं. For example, I bought. Now bought is a transitive verb. So this sentence is incomplete. Its meaning is incomplete because you are not telling what have you bought. Okay, so it is incomplete because bought is a transitive verb. You need to tell what was bought. क्या खरीदा आपने? Okay, और example देखते हैं. For example, kick. So I kicked. What? But you need to tell me what have you kicked. Otherwise the meaning will be incomplete. I give. No, it's not complete. You need to complete what is coming after give. You need to tell me what is the object. Similarly, carry, climb, kiss and take. These are also transitive verb. You need an object. So if I say I bought a phone. So phone is my object. It is the name of a thing. So that's how my sentence will be complete. Now intransitive verbs, so pretty intuitive, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Intransitive verbs को they do not need a direct object after them. Without even having an object, their meaning can be complete. So the subject is doing action of the verb and nothing receives the action. किसी को भी object को receive नहीं हो रहा action, even then your meaning will be complete. So a transitive verb does not pass the action to an object. For example, he laughed loudly. So here friends, there is no object, no noun or pronoun after our subject. So laughed is a intransitive verb. The baby, which is our subject, smiled. So here also meaning is complete. Alright. I get up. Now get up is again your intransitive verb and there is no object. Early is not an object. So that's why it is also showing the intransitive verb. More example of intransitive verb can be live, die, cry, run, sleep. Now friends, it's the time for some important practice questions. So let's jump into it. Now first, we need to underline all the verb in the following sentences. First, the fish swims in the water. So friends, swims show the action. So this is my verb, main verb basically, or the action showing verb. Next, he is handsome. Friends, here he is my object and handsome is showing the quality. So is will be my verb. Basically it is a helping verb, but you can also call it a verb. Next, apple, which is my subject, fell from the tree. Now here the tree will be my object and fell is my verb. Okay, this is showing the main action which apple did. Ram, which is my subject, is going to the market. Now market is the name of the place, so it is my object, and is showing my helping verb and going is showing my main verb. Okay, action verb. Let's move forward. Again we need to underline the verbs. So I have a car. Friends, here have is showing the state of possession. So have is my verb and a car is the object, I is the subject. She, which is my subject, climbed is the basically a verb. The tree, so the tree is the object. Aren't you bored? Friends, here aren't is the helping verb and you is my subject and bored is my verb. He wasn't hitting the ball. So he is the subject, wasn't is the helping verb which is showing the past sentence and hitting is the main verb. The ball is the object. Okay friends, so underline wale question khatam. Anyone can, so can is my helping verb. Suffer is also a verb, from insomnia, and sadly it is one of the growing, so it is also a verb, problem of our society. No matter if you are, so are again shows a helping verb, a teen, adult or pregnant. Something is again helping verb. Running is verb. In your mind, that doesn't is a helping verb. Let you sleep is again a state verb. So I hope friends this is clear. We'll move forward. Next again we need to identify the verb. A lead is someone, so is helping verb, someone that you contact is a verb, on your own. You do not, so do not is again verb, necessarily sell to them, although you can is again a verb and do is also a verb. Can do that with many lead generating systems. A prospect is someone you contact, and when you work, so work is again a verb, with them to find out, okay, find out is another verb, more about them. I hope friends this is again clear. To the next one. So Instagram builds is a verb on a superficial basis. You take is a verb, edit is a verb, share is a verb, images. Meanwhile, this idea displays is a verb, a simple and significant part of the app's format. It professes is again a verb, advertisers, challenges. So I hope this is again clear.